Car Obsession is proudly supported by Carly, the IBD reader, and exchangebycar.co.uk. The details of both are in the video description. For a limited time only, use Car Obsession 10 discount code to get 10% with Carly. Hello guys, welcome back to Car Obsession and welcome to another point of view video. This time I'm in the new Caterham 7 170R. So yes, let's start up the engine and go for a drive. Now, I'm going to do less talking in this one, so I'm going to give you the kind of key facts before I head off. So, this is the lightest Caterham 7 that has ever been made, 440 kilograms. It's also the smallest one in the current range. Under the bonnet, I've got a 660cc 3-cylinder turbocharged engine from Suzuki. It's from a Kei car. It offers 85 horsepower, 160 newton meters of torque. 0 to 60 is 6.9 seconds, top speed of 105. So yes, there we go. And as you can see, we have a beautiful day for it. So I'm sure you will enjoy the ride. And like I say, I'll try not to do too much talking. And I will try to keep my head as steady as possible. As you can imagine, there are quite a few vibrations in a car that lacks refinements, shall we say. But hey, I'm sure you will enjoy it. Oh. Whew, time for a breather, I think. So this car starts from £22,990, and that will get you the S version, which is more comfort based, comfort orientated. Or if you go for the R, like I have here, that has a starting price of £23,990, but this car has been peppered with quite a few options. So the car I'm sat in right now, believe it or not, is actually £31,605, which may seem like a lot, but of course these are options. You don't have to have them. Although I love this optional paintwork, which is it's actually an Aston Martin colour. It's called Golden Saffron, and that alone is £1,000, which does seem a bit steep, bearing in mind it's not exactly a lot of cars to paint, is there? The R-Pack, as I've mentioned, is more race or track orientated, and therefore you do get a limited slip differential as standard. You also get the carbon dashboard as well, which is a nice touch. I do have some other carbon touches, but they are options. Now, believe it or not, this car is actually greener than a Toyota Yaris hybrid. On a combined run, Caterham states that you can get up to 58.3 miles to the gallon, and this emits just 109 grams per kilometre, which is amazing. So That means you can have your weekend sports car and have a clear conscience at the same time. Because this is a very green car, surprisingly. But anyway, enough about economy. Let's face it, that's a bit boring. Back to the good stuff. Oh, there we have it, guys. I do hope you enjoyed it. I don't think you would have enjoyed watching it as much as I did making the video and driving the car, because yeah, an absolute blast. If you have enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you are subscribed, don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified every time I make a video. But until the next time, guys, be sure to keep up the car obsession. I love that noise. Oh yes, it does funny things to my underpants.